Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing long dress with gathered waistline and side zipper, bodies accessorized with Swarovski. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. I'm using 3.5 meter American crepe fabric. Firstly, I'll cut the bodies, and for that I've cut out the required length including seam allowance from the fabric, and I've folded it twice in width. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch. So half of it will be 6.75 inch. Neck width is 4 inch. Mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope and join to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch for my measurement. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point. From the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch shoulder to apex and 14.5 inch shoulder to waist. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. So 31 plus 2 is 33, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For bust, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 32 inch. So 32 plus 3 is 35, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 27 inch. 27 plus 3 is 30, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.5 inch. Now I'll join these points. Adding seam allowance of around 1 inch. Now I'll draw armhole curves. Neck depth is 5 inch diagonally and 3.5 inch in straight. Again mark neck width point 4 inch and join these points. Now I'll draw neckline shape. This is same for both front and back. So marking is complete. Now I'll cut the bodice. For bottom, I have cut out 2 lengths. Length will be full length minus bodice length. Like in my measurement, full length is 54 inch and bodice length is 14.5 inch. So required length will be 54 minus 14.5, that is 39.5 inch. Include seam allowance of around 1.5 inch. So length will be 41 inch. I'm still taking around 1 inch extra. And for width, I have deducted 6 inch from the whole width of fabric. If you want, you can take whole width of fabric. It will increase the volume of gathers. So with this, cutting is complete and now I'll stitch it. We have embellished front bodies with Swarovski. If you want to know how to do it, we have a detailed video on the same. I've shared the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. Firstly, I'll finish the bottom part of the dress. On the top, I'll make basting stitch to add gathers, and also I'll finish the bottom. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll finish other side. Now I'll make basting stitch. So I made a stitch. Now pull the bobbin thread to add gathers. Similarly, I'll finish other side. Now I'll attach bodies and the bottom. Place the bodies on the bottom, right sides together, and pin it up. Now I'll make a stitch. Overlock it. Keep the seam allowance direction upwards and make a top stitch. Similarly, I'll attach back bodies and bottom. Both front and back are ready, and I've also added side zipper. I'll share video for side zipper separately. Now I'll stitch shoulder slope on both sides. Overlock it. Now I'll finish neckline and armholes with the bias tape, and I'm skipping this part. I have a detailed video on how to finish neckline with bias tape. I have shared the link in the description box. You can check it out from there. So I have finished the neckline and armholes. Now I'll stitch side fitting seam on both sides. So I have stitched this side. On the other side, use zipper foot to make a stitch as close as to the zipper. So with this, my dress is completed and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.